The leaves of Ginkgo biloba contain more than 100 beneficial compounds, and this plant can be effective in treating various diseases. Ginkgo leaf products are usually available in pharmacies in various forms: tablets, capsules, and liquid extracts. The main beneficial effect of this plant is to increase blood circulation to the brain, lower extremities, arteries, and even the smallest capillaries. This ancient plant has been on our planet for almost 270 million years. It survived the dinosaurs and the Ice Age, and now grows in many parts of the world. So, what are the benefits of Ginkgo biloba? And when is the best time to harvest its leaves? What is the right way to do it in order to preserve the maximum amount of useful elements in them? Ginkgo leaves can be harvested for medicinal purposes. This is usually done twice a year. In summer, when they are still green and full of vitamins, and in autumn, when they begin to turn yellow, acquire a beautiful golden color, and fall to the ground. The collected leaves should first be washed and then dried at a temperature not exceeding 40 degrees. The dry leaves are soaked in alcohol and left in a dark place for 2 weeks. The liquid is then filtered. 15 drops are added to half a glass of water and taken twice a day before meals. The treatment lasts for 1 month. The first positive results can be felt after a week of regular use. Since ancient times, Ginkgo biloba has been used in traditional medicine to reduce inflammation in the body. Some studies have shown that Ginkgo biloba-based preparations may be useful in the treatment of arthritis, gastritis, and other heart and vascular diseases. Ginkgo leaves can also be brewed like regular tea. Add a teaspoon of dried leaves to a heated thermos or kettle and cover with hot water, about 200 milliliters. Steep the tea for 5 minutes. Among the many beneficial properties of this plant, one of the most important is the presence of powerful antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that help protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are formed in the body as a result of metabolism and exposure to various harmful factors: ultraviolet rays, polluted air, smoking, alcohol. The powerful antioxidants contained in the leaves of this plant protect the body's cells from damage and help to improve blood circulation and metabolism in the tissues. With the rapid development of modern and traditional medicine, medicines made from natural ingredients are very popular. Subscribe to our channel to learn many interesting and useful things.